Coming to the fourth feature as organized and regulated market, it's arranged properly and it's regulated, it's controlled by Securities Exchange Board of India. Now coming to the fifth feature as specific location. See, stock exchanges is a specific physical place where securities are traded. See, we have already seen it's a place, it's a market. So yes, there is a specific place where brokers and intermediaries meet, where borrowers and investors they come together to trade in securities. But now all these tradings are done electronically on stock exchange. Coming to the sixth feature is trading only through members. See, this is very important. Securities in a stock exchange can be traded only by the members of the stock exchange or through authorized brokers. So these are the 6 features of stock exchanges. Now, coming to the functions of stock exchange, what stock exchange actually does, we are going to see in detail. The very first one is mobilization of savings. To mobilize means to gather, okay? To gather, or I can say to collect. Now see, stock markets are organized and regulated, we have already seen, which protects the interest of the investors. What they do, they try to safeguard the interest of investors. How? This encourages small and big investors to invest in securities. These stock exchanges, okay, they encourages the small investors to come and invest. Thereby, they provide a ready market for buying and selling of securities. Coming to the second function of stock exchange is capital formation. Now, investors in securities are attracted due to good returns on investments, right? Capital formation means collection of capital. When shares will be there on the stock exchange, when company is doing good, the prices of those shares will rise. Thus, it's easy for companies to collect funds, that is in the form of capital. It's easier for companies to, form capital for their corporations. See, the stock exchange serves as a tool for capital formation. Coming to the third one is pricing of securities. How the pricing of securities are done. See, the stock market helps to value the securities on the basis of demand and supply factor. If the securities are profitable or the growth or the company is growing or it's growth oriented, the value of that securities gets increased as the demand for that securities increase. Coming to the fourth point as economic barometer. What is barometer? Barometer is an instrument which is used to measure the air pressure. Okay, so now here economic pressure. Here they are talking about economic pressure. See, a stock exchange is a reliable barometer. It's a reliable barometer to measure what? To measure economic condition in the country. Okay, every change is reflected through the prices of the shares. Stock exchange is also known as a pulse of economy or economic mirror, as it reflects the economic conditions in the country. Now, everything depends upon shares and their prices. The economic conditions changes only about on the change of the price of the shares. Coming to the fifth one as protecting interest of investors. Stock exchange protects the interest of investors. How? See, in stock market, only the listed securities are traded. Stock exchange allow listing only after verifying the soundness of the company. That means those companies which are working good and there are certain rules and regulations the company has to comply with to get listed on the stock exchange. So yes, it protects the interest of the investors. Coming to the sixth part as liquidity. Liquidity to get converted into cash very quickly. So yes, this market provides liquidity right? People can here sell shares easily. The main function of stock exchange is to provide a ready market for the sale and purchase of securities. That means liquidity is easy and quick. Coming to the seventh point, better allocation of capital, better distribution of capital. See, the shares of profit-making companies are quoted at higher price, we have seen, as the demand increases, and are actively traded. So such companies can easily raise fresh capital fund from stock market. So now better allocation of capital. Once the company is doing good on the stock exchange, yes, company is in position to increase the capital. Coming to the eighth point as contributes to economic growth. See, securities of various companies are bought and sold in stock exchange. Investors invest in companies which give good returns on investments. Thus, when the income will increase, there will be an increase in the economic growth of the country as well. Coming to the ninth point as providing scope for speculation. To speculate means to guess. See, to ensure liquidity and demand or supply of securities, the stock exchange permits healthy speculation of securities. Coming to the 10th point as promotes the habit of savings and investments. It promotes the habit of saving and investment.